Welcome to USA English Conversation.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
What's your name?
My name is Olivia.
What's your name?
My name is Olivia.
Where are you from?
I am from Boston.
Where are you from?
I am from Boston.
Where do you live now?
In Chicago.
Where do you live now?
In Chicago.
How long have you lived there?
For 4 years.
How long have you lived there?
For 4 years.
What's your address?
456 Oak Street.
What's your address?
456 Oak Street.
What's your phone number?
597,549.
What's your phone number?
597,549.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
Do you have children?
No, not yet.
Do you have children?
No, not yet.
What do you do?
I'm a teacher.
What do you do?
I'm a teacher.
Where do you work?
At Lincoln School.
Where do you work?
At Lincoln School.
Do you like your job?
Yes, very much.
Do you like your job?
Yes, very much.
Do you speak other languages?
Yes, Spanish.
Do you speak other languages?
Yes, Spanish.
How many languages?
2 languages.
How many languages?
2 languages.
What's your nationality?
I'm American.
What's your nationality?
I'm American.
What's your native language?
English.
What's your native language?
English.
Do you have a big family?
No, it's small.
Do you have a big family?
No, it's small.
How many people?
5 people.
How many people?
5 people.
Who are they?
My parents, 2 sisters, and me.
Who are they?
My parents, 2 sisters, and me.
What's your father's name?
His name is David.
What's your father's name?
His name is David.
What does he do?
He's an engineer.
What does he do?
He's an engineer.
How old is he?
He's 61.
How old is he?
He's 61.
What's your mother's name?
Her name is Legia.
What's your mother's name?
Her name is Legia.
What does she do?
She's a nurse.
What does she do?
She's a nurse.
How old is she?
She's 54.
How old is she?
She's 54.
Do you have siblings?
Yes, 2 sisters.
Do you have siblings?
Yes, 2 sisters.
What are their names?
Emma and Sarah.
What are their names?
Emma and Sarah.
How old is Emma?
She's 31.
How old is Emma?
She's 31.
What does Emma do?
She's a lawyer.
What does Emma do?
She's a lawyer.
How old is Sarah?
She's 26.
How old is Sarah?
She's 26.
What does Sarah do?
She's a student.
What does Sarah do?
She's a student.
Do you live with your family?
No, I live alone.
Do you live with your family?
No, I live alone.
Do you see them often?
Yes, every weekend.
Do you see them often?
Yes, every weekend.
Do you have grandparents?
Yes, one grandmother.
Do you have grandparents?
Yes, one grandmother.
Is she alive?
Yes, she's healthy.
Is she alive?
Yes, she's healthy.
Are you close to your family?
Yes, very close.
Are you close to your family?
Yes, very close.
Where do you live?
In an apartment.
Where do you live?
In an apartment.
Do you rent or own?
I rent.
Do you rent or own?
I rent.
How big is it?
2 bedrooms.
How big is it?
2 bedrooms.
Do you live alone?
No, with a roommate.
Do you live alone?
No, with a roommate.
What's her name?
Her name is Amy.
What's her name?
Her name is Amy.
Is she nice?
Yes, very nice.
Is she nice?
Yes, very nice.
How much is rent?
$1,200 per month.
How much is rent?
$1,200 per month.
Is that expensive?
Yes, a bit.
Is that expensive?
Yes, a bit.
What floor are you on?
The 5th floor.
What floor are you on?
The 5th floor.
Is there an elevator?
Yes, there is.
Is there an elevator?
Yes, there is.
Do you have a balcony?
No, I don't.
Do you have a balcony?
No, I don't.
Is the apartment furnished?
Yes, partially.
Is the apartment furnished?
Yes, partially.
Do you have a TV?
Yes, in the living room.
Do you have a TV?
Yes, in the living room.
Do you have internet?
Yes, Wi-Fi.
Do you have internet?
Yes, Wi-Fi.
Is your neighborhood safe?
Yes, very safe.
Is your neighborhood safe?
Yes, very safe.
Is it quiet?
Yes, mostly.
Is it quiet?
Yes, mostly.
Are there shops nearby?
Yes, many shops.
Are there shops nearby?
Yes, many shops.
Is there a supermarket?
Yes, 2 blocks away.
Is there a supermarket?
Yes, 2 blocks away.
Do you like your apartment?
Yes, I do.
Do you like your apartment?
Yes, I do.
Would you like to move?
Maybe someday.
Would you like to move?
Maybe someday.
What time do you wake up?
At 7 a.m.
What time do you wake up?
At 7 a.m.
Do you use an alarm?
Yes, always.
Do you use an alarm?
Yes, always.
What do you do first?
I check my phone.
What do you do first?
I check my phone.
Do you take a shower?
Yes, every morning.
Do you take a shower?
Yes, every morning.
How long?
10 minutes.
How long?
10 minutes.
What do you eat for breakfast?
Toast and coffee.
What do you eat for breakfast?
Toast and coffee.
What time do you leave home?
At 8 o'clock.
What time do you leave home?
At 8 o'clock.
How do you go to work?
By subway.
How do you go to work?
By subway.
How long is the trip?
25 minutes.
How long is the trip?
25 minutes.
What time do you start work?
At 9 o'clock.
What time do you start work?
At 9 o'clock.
When is lunch?
At 12:30.
When is lunch?
At 12:30.
Where do you eat?
In the cafeteria.
Where do you eat?
In the cafeteria.
What do you eat?
Usually a salad.
What do you eat?
Usually a salad.
What time do you finish work?
At 5 o'clock.
What time do you finish work?
At 5 o'clock.
What do you do after work?
Go to the gym.
What do you do after work?
Go to the gym.
How often?
3 times a week.
How often?
3 times a week.
What time do you get home?
Around 7 o'clock.
What time do you get home?
Around 7 o'clock.
Do you cook dinner?
Yes, most nights.
Do you cook dinner?
Yes, most nights.
What time do you go to bed?
At 11 o'clock.
What time do you go to bed?
At 11 o'clock.
Do you sleep well?
Yes, usually.
Do you sleep well?
Yes, usually.
What's your favorite food?
Italian food.
What's your favorite food?
Italian food.
Do you like pizza?
Yes, I love it.
Do you like pizza?
Yes, I love it.
What's your favorite pizza?
Margarita.
What's your favorite pizza?
Margarita.
Do you like vegetables?
Yes, I do.
Do you like vegetables?
Yes, I do.
Which vegetables?
Broccoli and carrots.
Which vegetables?
Broccoli and carrots.
Do you eat meat?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you eat meat?
Yes, sometimes.
What kind of meat?
Chicken mostly.
What kind of meat?
Chicken mostly.
Do you like fish?
Yes, very much.
Do you like fish?
Yes, very much.